Hello and welcome. We're gonna search source today. We are gonna have to search through the source code. I think it's gonna be like hard-coded credentials, maybe, or the flag is there. Okay, now we're here. Let's control U to see the thing. We have styled the CSS responsive, the image and the logo. Why this? That it could have been there and we missed it. We maybe search for Pico in here. Okay, can we search in here for Pico? The flag was right here all along. I just was too blind to see it. Okay, I should have searched from the beginning. Yes, we have the flag.